Hello, happy people, and welcome back to another episode of 65 and Counting. I'm your host, Adam Fry. I'm a certified Medicare planner, and I'm here to ask the important questions that you want answered by industry professionals. This show is for everyone and anyone coming up on that important milestone of 65 years old. That means retirement, it means Medicare eligibility, or it means that you're just plain interested in the world of retirement planning. Whatever it is, on this show you'll hear from the people that know it best. Welcome back, everyone. It's time to bring David Edge back on the show to read another thrilling success story. This week's tale of success includes the story of a home break-in and how to deal with replacing important retirement-related documents that might be stolen. So without any further delay, let's just bring Mr. Edge on to read that story to you. Take it away, Mr. Edge.
Okay, our next article is the success story of the month, written by David Edge. Lost? No, stolen. Stan was the victim of a break-in at his home, and unfortunately, the thief took his wallet that he had left on the dresser. After calling the police and filing a report, he now had to take stock of what was missing. "Oh no," he exclaimed as he realized his wallet was missing. Now he had the ordeal of replacing his driver's license, credit cards, Social Security, or Medicare cards. Calling his credit card company was an easy fix to cancel existing cards and have them mail out new replacement cards. Getting a new driver's license was going to be a hassle due to reduced hours at his local DMV office, but he had no idea how to replace his Social Security and Medicare card. His wife reminded him to call American Retirement Advisors and that we'll have the answer. Our client care team answered the phone with the usual opening line, "How can we help?" Stan filled us on what happened, and we proceeded to outline his options. 1. You can call Social Security at 800-772-1213 and request replacement cards. The only hassle is the long hold times that sometimes keep you on hold for 1 to 2 hours before you actually speak to a human. You can also go online and visit www.ssa.gov. After selecting the login option, you enter your name and password, and the system will ask you to send a verification code. They will call or text the code to whichever phone number is on your file. After you enter the code, the next page will offer services. 3. Select replacement documents. Here you can ask for a Social Security card replacement or a Medicare card replacement. Keep in mind that it can take up to 90 days to receive your new cards. You can print a new Medicare card from the website. Stan was grateful for the quick and direct answers to his dilemma and could not believe how easy it was. "If only replacing my driver's license was this easy," he exclaimed. So when you have questions about Social Security, Medicare, or retirement financial planning, call us. We can help.
Wow. So it really is as simple as contacting Social Security to take care of replacing those documents and protect your identity. Don't forget that if something like that happens to you, but you forgot what to do in this situation, you can always give us a call and we'll help you. So everybody, thank you so much for tuning in this week. We hope you enjoyed this week's episode. Please don't forget to like our page, follow this video, share with all your friends, but most importantly, have a great week.